Well, here we go with the blizzard of 2010, part 2. I'm walking around the sidewalk in front of the building, and it's coming down pretty hard. This sidewalk has been plowed, and it's pretty much covered already, but goodness mercy. It'd be funny if I fell on my butt. Would make a good video. Anyway, here we are at the front of the building. I'm hoping this is... I have my my little camera, which has been not working very well. I have it wrapped in saran wrap. I'm hoping this is showing through the lens. Let's see, there's College Avenue, headed down into the village. The wind is picking up pretty well. They've canceled the winter storm warnings on WeatherBug and replaced them with blizzard warnings. That's comforting. You can see the great gobs of ice and snow hanging over the edge of the building. And when they let go, it's really going to be dramatic. Let's see, there's our front gate. I'll go down here just a little bit further. And turn around and go back. Here's the back garden. Glad I got my good old green wellies on, but that's only good for plowed places. It's way up over the top. Everywhere else, I'm going to walk down the steps here and shoot back. Now here's, you can see, I hope, people have tried to walk through here. I'm not going to do that because I'll end up falling on my butt. Look at the snow hanging over the edge up there. Wow. Well, that should about do it. I'll do one little 360 shot. The car's parked down on Ellicott Road. There you go. There's our county champion copper beech tree. And again, the snow hanging over the edge, which is downright spooky. That'll do her.